Crafty Amy. And if you're coming from my YouTube channel, welcome to this exclusive tutorial for the SF State Xpress Magazine. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an express little pouch for your little cards. You can put your clipper card, your debit card, some change, some cash, and it's small and roomy, perfect for putting it in your backpack or in your purse. The materials you will need is faux leather or vinyl in yellow, black, and white. You also need a small zipper, a sewing machine, and some thread. You also need a printout of the Xpress logo and then some E6000 glue to glue on the little letters before you sew it. Let's get started. Start by using an X-Acto knife and a cutting mat to cut out the letters from the Xpress logo. Now trace the letters flipped over on the wrong side of the white vinyl. And then cut out the letters with some scissors. And then on the yellow vinyl, cut out 2 4x5 inches plus 1/4 inch seam allowance all around. To get the dimension of the logo, trace the black part on black vinyl. This black piece doesn't have to be perfect since it will just be a shadow for the white letters. Once you have the black piece and the white letters cut out, you're ready to glue the pieces. Start by gluing the black piece first, centered over the yellow vinyl. Try to avoid putting glue close to the edges. And then put a little bit of glue on each letter right on top of the black vinyl. Clean up the glue if it gets messy. After the glue is completely dry, sew very carefully around each edge of the letter. Sewing the letters in each piece will help secure the letters on because the glue will eventually come off. And then with black thread, sew the edges of the black vinyl. Place the zipper right sides together with the yellow vinyl. Open up the zipper so it's easier to sew. Fold the zipper down and top stitch close to the edge of the yellow vinyl. Place the other side of the zipper right sides together with the other piece of yellow vinyl and sew. Open up the zipper and place the vinyl right sides together. Make sure the zipper pulls inside just a little bit. Now sew all 3 edges. Leave the needle down as you lift the presser foot after each corner. Trim the zipper if it was a little bit too long. Turn it right side out and you'll be done if you want pointed corners. Or if you want more dimension to your little pouch, you can square the corners. Pull the sides at the corner like you're opening a bag of chips and line up the 2 seams from the bottom and the side. Then just sew a line about 3/4 of an inch. Just make sure your stitch line is perpendicular to the seams. Do the same to the other corner and you're done. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, head over to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/craftyamy93 if you want to see more crafty tutorials. And make sure to follow me on social media on Instagram @craftyamy and on Facebook, craftyamy93. Thank you so much for watching.